All right, hello. So, this is part 2 of why you should get an online shop for your website right now. If you missed part 1, then click on the link that you should see here, or click in the description below. We are going to, in this, I'm going to share my screen and show exactly what I use for Boostly for an online shop. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications if you want to get more and more content like this. And I'm going to show you exactly how simple it is to set up and add something to your online shop. So I use WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is a plugin that you add onto your website, your WordPress website, and it is basically your online e-commerce shop. Now, I've been using this for well over a year, and what I love about this service is that it's low cost. It is a cost to get set up, but it just makes life so much simple. And it connects to Stripe, it connects to PayPal, whatever the payment system that you're using, it can simply connect to. And all that it does, it just sits within your WordPress website. So to get started with, you create a login, you click on Get Started. What it will do is it will give you a plugin that you will go and add to your website. So when you go to your backend, and again, I'll just show you the Boostly backend right now. When you come into the backend, if you just go into plugins and you click on Add New Plugin, this system will give you the what's called the download. It will be a zip file. So you take it, you come into here, you click on plugin and you click Add New, and then you will load it. So let me just quickly open up this page. So it's right there. All you have to do is click on that and it will come into your system. And when it is into your system, it will look like this. Now, when I sit on the dashboard, and this is my WooCommerce status. So right now in, what we're on, the 10th of the month, my WooCommerce online shop has brought in £4,137 worth of online sales. It tells me how many orders have come in. It tells me what has been the top seller. It tells me all the information that I need. If you are fortunate enough to have a very good social media account, a social media page, an email following, you've got regular guests who know, like, and love you, then try and think of maybe a monthly subscription service that you could create that somebody would pay to be part of. So again, the beauty of this service is that, number one, you can have it for one-off purchases, or number two, you can have it for a subscription. Now, once you've added it in, then you want to get started. So all you do is you come into WooCommerce and you come down to products and you will just click Add New. And if anybody has ever loaded anything into any online website before, then you will know how easy it is to add it in. You'd literally give it the product name. So if I was going to sell Mark's cookbook, I'll put it in there, I guarantee I spelled it wrong. You will just give it a little bit of a description. So again, you put your copy in there, explaining, why you've done this, explain the story behind it, and then give them the offer of how much it's going to cost. Again, you would put the price. So if it's going to be a one-off cost, you will just call it what it is. If it's going to be a subscription, you've got simple subscription here. So if you're going to create your granary VIP group, $5.99 every month, for example, and you would set it up that way. Or if it's going to be a one-off product, you create as a simple product. You will tell them if it's virtual or downloadable. So if it's going to be the Mark's cookbook idea, we've got the downloadable virtual product right there. Regular price $9.99. If you wanted to even have a little sale, sorry, $5.99. If you want to have it as a little sale to launch it, you can put it at that. Once you've created your PDF, so you've gone on Fiverr or Upwork and somebody has helped you to design a fantastic PDF, you could put it in there quite simply and upload it. There's no download limits or anything like that, obviously. And then again, you would give it just a super quick bonus subscription here. So Mark's cookbook for his yummy dishes. And the final things to do is, I'm just going to move some boxes out of the way that are in my way. It would be to add your image, product gallery, which is down there. Once you've added the product gallery, once you've added the image, you would hit publish. I'm going to hit the preview button. And when the page loads up, it will show you exactly what it looks like. And then all that the user would then do, all that the customer would do, click on add to basket and they would check out. And it's as easy and as simple as that. And within a matter of minutes, you have got an online product that is for your business. You've got a chance then to email out to your list. You can put a post out on social media and you can inform people of your new online product, whether it is a recipe book or whatever you decide to do. And again, the reason why I wanted to do this episode and the reason why I wanted to show everybody the simplicity of it is that right now, if you are on lockdown, right now, if you can't open and if you can't take guests for whatever reason, and if you want to make full use of your time, then on your WordPress website right now, you've got the ability to go and sign up to WooCommerce. You can either upload something that you can easily sell. So if you've already got, say, a farm shop, but you haven't been able to get the things online, you can add the option to upload it up online. Or you can start to network in your local area, start asking around on Facebook groups. If you don't know anybody, just start Googling local shops that have got big reviews or good reviews in your local area. Reach out to them, give them a phone call, send them a message. I'm sure that right now they would love to have some extra ideas of way to get income into the business. And again, if they haven't done so already, they haven't done so for a reason, and you can start to strike up these partnerships and business relationships. And the cool thing about all of this is that when lockdowns do end and when you can reopen and when you can take on guests, is that all of this is being created, all of this is being set up. So you've generated for yourself an extra income. And whether it is just going to make a small needle of a difference, maybe 2 or 3% to your monthly or your annual revenue, then it's something that you've already created. And for the most part, depending on what the product is, it can become 100% passive, which is what every business owner wants to strive to be, is have passive income coming into their business. So I wanted to create this to get your mind juices going, your brain juices going. What I would love to know, whether you're watching live with me now or on the replay, is in the comment section below. Are you doing something like this already? If so, what are you selling? What are you promoting? Have you got links that we can go and have a look at to get some inspiration? I would also really appreciate if you could take the link to this video and share it in a Facebook group with a friend or just in a local community, and just sort of show them how easy it is, other hospitality owners, how easy it is to build in these extra income if your main source of income, the hospitality, isn't able to take bookings right now. This is obviously a part of the Boostly podcast series. If you want to go and check out more, just go to boostly.co.uk/podcast. On there, you've got 9 seasons that you can go and check out. There's tons of episodes. You can download it on Apple, on your Apple phones, on your Android phones. You can even tune in on Spotify. You can even chat to your Alexa device and ask her to play the Boostly podcast, and it will go, which is amazing. But thank you so much for tuning in. I would love to get your feedback on this episode. And if you've got any requests of any future podcast episodes that you would like me to do, then all you need to do is find the Hospitality Community Facebook group and go and post it up in there. Ask the question. If loads of people agree, then I'll do it. As always, thank you so much for tuning in, wherever you are tuning in the world, on whatever platform. My name has been Mark Simpson. I help hosts, give them the tools, the tactics, the training and the confidence to go and get more direct bookings.